How to become rich. Many people think about it, almost every adult. But neither everyone is rich nor successful. The main reason behind that is wrong methods we learned from our parents and society. To become rich and successful, our parents used to tell us to go college, do study, find a good job, etc. But this traditional method taught by our parents is wrong. Now when you will learn few secrets today in this video and more in future videos, be aware this secret may disturb your sleep. Because the secret to become rich is not easy to digest. 95% of people on this planet don't really know the secrets. 1. Because rich people don't like to reveal the secrets. Second, the majority of people are afraid to accept the reality because what it takes to become rich is not easy to implement. Secret number 1. Rich people own businesses. They don't do jobs. I read a few books, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Retire Young, Retire Rich, written by Robert T. Kiyosaki. He is one of the successful business investors in USA. The explanation he gave why one should have a business and not a job is completely different than what usually people thinks. According to traditional thinking, time invested in a business is the investment on self. We are in control of where we spend our time and when we spend our time. This is 10% true, but that is not what we should think and be inspired of. The biggest inspiration and a reason to do a business is one day we will grow old. If a person is in a job, he or she will be thrown out one day when the age comes. At that time, how human will survive? By savings or by government pension plans? We all know what government pensions can do. It is not sufficient even to buy the food for 1 month. In the old age, when our body is old, human body suffers from many medical issues. At that time, government pensions will not help. If you don't know, government pensions are very much dependent on stock markets, mutual funds, etc. These markets are not always growing. There are up and downs in the markets. So expecting someone else will pay you to rest in your old age is the life biggest mistake. Secret number 2. Rich people builds assets, not liabilities. Now ordinary human buys home, flat, car, etc. for which he pays installments to banks or finance companies. Ordinary person spends whole life in the same system, earns salaries, pays bills, taxes, and the one day he retires with nothing in hand. But on the other hand, rich people invest money in flats, cars, buildings, in short, assets. These assets are given on rent, which brings reoccurring money, which is called passive income. For instance, you have purchased one building and given on rent. Now from this rent you can pay credit if you have taken credit to buy the building. With time passing, this building will have higher property value, and once your credit is cleared, you will have an asset built for yourself. Now imagine you have money coming from these assets in the old age. You won't need to work. Your assets will be working for you. Secret number 3. Rich people are investors. Facebook owner Mark Zuckerberg, Microsoft owner Bill Gates, Reliance owner Ambani's, Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk. All these rich people are not just businessmen, but they are also investors. They invest in multiple businesses, stocks, etc. Now investment options you can choose according to your knowledge and skills. If you don't have investment skills, then learn it. Investments are of many types: stocks, shares, assets, gold, businesses, brands, franchises, royalty, passive, etc. If you want to learn more about getting rich and successful, remember to follow my channel because it's very important to stay in the right company of optimistic and successful people. If you are in a right company of the people, right surroundings, you will grow much faster. Let's build the network of success and become successful together.